What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a Dragon Ball Z and Dragon Ball era unboxing Funko Pop. I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway, as you guys can see. 20 codes, TCG, first come first serve. So make sure you guys are fast. Feel free to do whatever, skip ahead, pause, do what you guys have to do in order to get these codes. But before I forget, you guys are having a good day, leave a thumbs up. You guys having a bad day, leave a thumbs down. Let me know why in the comment section below. Let's get started with these codes right up. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comment section below. What kind of content you guys are liking, if you guys are liking these. Do what you guys have to do in order to get these codes first. First come, first serve, as I do say so. I'm gonna get rid of these now. Feel free to go back, pause. If you guys do want to know where you guys could purchase these, I will leave it in the description below for you guys to check out. Make sure you guys are fast for these. Last ones. Hopefully this does help you guys out in the online TCG games. You guys have been enjoying them, so I'll keep bringing them up here and there. But feel free to go back, do what you guys have to do in order to get those codes. Let's start with this unboxing. Let's get the Super Saiyan Goku, number 14. All the characters you guys could get. Like I did say so, if you guys still want to know where you guys could get it, I'll leave it in the description below. If you guys are under the age of 18, make sure to ask your guys' parents / guardians for permission. Goku powering up. Super Saiyan 1. It could be 2, but I don't know. I feel like it is. No, it says Super Saiyan Goku right here. Because number 2 would be his hair a little longer. You can see him power up, his belt. Yeah. Pretty cool. The green eyes. Alright, let's go with Son Goku up next. You can see his little cloud in there. This is where he had his little staff that expanded and all that. You can see like red from it with the brown case over it. You could see his tail before they ripped it off, obviously. His old clothes that he used to wear. Him hovering up in his cloud. Now let's go for Krillin. Now this one is pretty cool. He has the kilo destructo disc, which pretty much could have a whole mountain split in half. The destructo disc is not to be messed with. His little stance. All Funko Pops could move their heads, if you guys didn't know. But that's a cool little animation. His blue belt. His little logo in the chest. Logo in the back. Pretty cool. Does have trouble standing though, which I think you just have to balance it with his head. Oh no, but there we go. If you guys did enjoy, feel free to subscribe. Don't feel obligated to do so. Do it if you guys want to. You guys take care, have a good one, and peace out, guys.